So first, let me start by introducing Dr. Harayama. Dr. Harayama is currently Executive Director at RIKEN. RIKEN is Japan's largest research institute, and it is a hub to many research centers and institutes across Japan. Dr. Harayama, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you, George. First of all, great thanks to all of you for providing us visionary pitch. I enjoy very much. The title of this symposium, Breaking Borders, it's really accurate to discuss about these issues because we have so many meaning of borders. We have to move on beyond the existing borders, not only national borders, institutional border or research fields, but also the way of thinking, norms, and as has been said by Inami-san, beyond the visible. So the purpose is really to empower early career researchers, but not only in terms of career as a profession. That means just coaching on the technical aspects, skills, or tips, but inviting them to mobilize all their potential to challenge, to undertake the endless journey to discover the unknown and go beyond existing borders. That means it is not just personal engagements, not acting alone, but interacting with others. And not only with other researchers, but all many professional supporting staff, including so many intermediaries. And the way is to go working with your team, your community, and so on. So that means we have to exercise leadership, working with others. And by doing so, I hope they will find their way to be researchers, to act global and to act responsible. In short, the way to be. Since there's no unique model, but we have good practices, but it should be something that to be discovered. I'm acting as a mentor for this program. I supposed to coaching them, helping them, but mainly I would say we as a mentor, we have lots to learn through the interaction with our candidates, because it's really no one way of teaching, one way of supporting, but mutually we can make changes, not only for HIRAKU Global researchers, but changing for me. So let's start discussing, but acting together in the way to better shape research community by starting with you, HIRAKU Global researchers, but expecting to impact not only researcher in your field, but more largely to serve society and to have sustainable world. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,